Hi, I'm Carrie. So you're looking for a new home? I'm sure there's a lot on your must-have list. Let's see if we can't check them all off at Cottage Green. Must-have number 1, low yard maintenance. You won't need to spend your weekends mowing the lawn or pulling weeds because every home in Cottage Green will have lawn maintenance included. Must-have number 2, modern design finishes. These homes will have HardiePlank exteriors, which also means less maintenance year-round. And inside, you'll be able to pick your favorite professionally designed finishes to match your style. You'll start by choosing a floor plan, which can have up to 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and over 2,100 square feet, giving you enough room to spread out or host friends and family. Then you'll work with us to design your dream space. It's as easy as that. Must-have number 3, convenient location. This community is just off Highway 601, half a mile from 74, giving you easy access to everything you need, from medical facilities and golf clubs to restaurants and retail. The grass is always greener at Cottage Green. If I've checked everything off of your list, take the next steps and come visit us at Cottage Green. I can't wait to welcome you home.